Have you ever mixed up still, already, yet, anymore, and no longer? These words are all connected to time and change. But they do not mean exactly the same thing. When you say still, it means something continues.
I still study English every night.
That means I studied before, and I continue now. When you say already, it means something happened before now.
I have already finished my homework.
That means the homework is finished now. When you say yet, it usually means something has not happened up to now.
I have not finished my homework yet.
That means I plan to finish it, but it is not finished now. When you say anymore, it means something was true before, but it is not true now.
I do not work there anymore.
That means I worked here before, but I do not work there now. When you say no longer, it has a similar meaning to not anymore.
I no longer work there.
That means the situation has changed.
I still live in the same house. I have already cleaned my room. I have not done the laundry yet. I do not watch that show anymore. I no longer stay up very late. She still works from home. She has already sent the email. She has not replied to my message yet. She does not use that phone anymore. She no longer drives to work.
Sometimes, still, shows that something continues longer than expected. If something continues, I can say, I still do it. If something is finished, I can say, I have already done it. If something is not finished now, I can say, I have not done it yet. If something's stopped, I can say, I do not do it anymore. If I want to sound a little more formal, I can say, I no longer do it.
I still drink tea in the morning. I have already eaten breakfast. I have not packed my lunch yet. I do not drink coffee at night anymore. I no longer skip breakfast. He still goes to the gym after work. He has already changed his routine. He has not reached his goal yet. He does not eat junk food anymore. He no longer makes excuses.
So remember this simple idea. Still is about something that continues. Already is about something finished before now. Yet is about something not finished up to now. Anymore is about something that stopped. No longer is a more formal way to say not anymore.
I still practice English every day. I have already learned many useful phrases. I have not mastered everything yet. I do not translate every sentence anymore. I no longer feel nervous about simple mistakes.
Once you understand the difference, your English becomes clearer and more natural. Great job! Keep practicing, and these words will start to feel easy.